Okay, sorry everyone, we're about to have like time. We're about to have like something that sped up a bit, so it's gonna sound a bit like crazy. So sorry about that. Just was a bit long.
Okay, now you come this way.
That smells nice.
You're literally sniffing glue.
Solvent, sniffing glue. It smells nice. Just get in that little hooky there.
What? I'm not lying.
I know. We're just laughing because people use this as a drug. There's a little dent here, love.
That's the yes. It's for the. That's our next part. We did up to here. That's for the glue end. From here to here. That looks nice.
Did you let it dry for 1 minute?
I'm gonna dry for. Right, yeah. Few edges. Like this. Make sure.
Is this got glue here?
Now we fold this back until it goes. Ooh. You need to stop it, Michelle.
No, that's a bit of extra glue that was
Probably
left
let's
over.
push through.
No, Brendan, that was extra glue that you just spilt.
Yeah.
That's just extra glue you spilt.
Yeah, you must also right. You move them back to about there.
Cameraman's helping. Brendan, that's it. That's it.
That's it. I'm gonna earn my beer today.
So that's the undone side, and that's the done side.
We've used up 1.5 pots. Yeah.
And yeah, we're not doing good.
Why wait, I guess? Why wait?
This is the foam over here. The color looks like that's just the foam. That's what it's gonna look like.
Foam backed.
I know. That's why I told the camera. I'm preparing this on iMovie, and then I might send the iMovie to you, and so you can put it on YouTube.
Oh, good.
You can start a YouTube channel. Brendan, I suggest that you like take the spills and then pick them up.
What?
Like take the brush and like
I don't mind that. I'll just use it. The extra. Here, in here, I want to make sure there's lots of glue on the edges.
I think you should already be using a roller.
That was what YouTube said, but I was skeptical.
Brendan, if you did a roller, it would be a lot quicker, so the glue would be more efficient.
You probably would, yes. You're right. I'm being pretty quick at this, thank you.
I won't say no. You are pretty quick. But a roller could be quicker. But you are pretty quick, oh my gosh. To be fair. The YouTubers like use the thing because it's
Let's
fast.
see if we can.
Pull off the same meaning as a roller.
No, I'm going to come to your side. I'll just. So we have a line like that up to here.
You can see the drop.
So that's the key, is you want to make sure there's a nice line.
If you're slow at using a paintbrush, I would highly recommend using a ruler. Because if you watch how fast that is, that's pretty fast.
I'm going to do this side here.
There's some glue.
Why that? Why it sticks like glue?
Because it is glue.
If you are going to be using
It's
a
really
paintbrush, I would highly recommend
Contact adhesive.
using a good one.
contact is not a thing, Brendan. 15 seconds. Brendan, did you buy
It's our first time, so you might not. This is guidance, but I think we've got this perfectly aced.
I think so too.
an oil? You can't say it perfectly aced. Because the robot could do better, right?
No, I don't think so.
Robots can do better.
Ben, robots can't cook pasta properly. Well,
Why?
they can.
Use a spray painter.
A spray painting machine would be better for this, yeah. You're right. I agree with that.
And it's... I think that is more precise.
So please, if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe.
Also, I actually put it on YouTube.
I have the like button.
You put that on YouTube and it's
Nah. please remember this after.
Can you take the pen? Can you song for a YouTube video?
You can make a YouTube video on one of those.
Ben Bishops has a YouTube channel.
Sure. That's another liter of 100 adhesive done. Call your mum, Ben.
So that's three
Michelle.
bottles. So that's 3 bottles we've gone through, or 2.
This is the third one.
Okay, so people
Second
come
one.
prepared. Buy a 3-liter bottle, not
I think
1.
2 1 liters will work well, I think. I'd like
Yeah.
to give suggestions.
It depends on the roof size. That's what I would say.
Michelle!
It is soft.
Beep, beep, master. You were tin. It's getting a stone finish.
And you fold it over like that. That's what you saw when watching
You
this
got it.
bit.
Make sure you give yourself enough like this to get in here.
This is gonna be like in our family there's nothing called buying something brand new out of wood.
Yeah, like that. Do you want to get another something? Yeah.
This is the worst
Is that fine?
That smells the worst mango I've ever smelled.
No, it smells so good.
You?
We're doing a little YouTube video of how to redo the roof.
Yeah.
Oh, it feels like it's other YouTube video I'm being slated, but one of it is
Well, you did it all wrong, Brendan.
No, I wouldn't say
my
that.
videographer, maybe.
Critical neighbour coming to give comment.
Back here to this. That line there. Okay. That way? Push the thing back.
It's your last hand.
So move this plastic under.
This is his third can. This is third can.
The girls gone to church.
Yeah. Do you think we can do?
It was a bit of a two-man job.
Do you think we can do the whole last bit in one go?
Yep.
I'd say you should do them 2, but whatever. I suggest when you're doing this, I would suggest you do this in the last bit in 2 pieces. We are just a
Let's
bit
say the
of
brackets
risk
of Buco
takers.
that I had to swap out this morning. They don't have the size. So send me down to Takar.
Oh no.
I get to Takar. Sorry, we have them, but we stopped taking. There's nothing we can do. The store's closed. So I went to Builders and bought the adjustable brackets, which are 100 Rand more expensive, but they don't fit into the areas we've routed out, Brendan. So we need to route out bigger openings and things.
That's painful.
Everything is just a little.
Nothing is smooth. Oh, look, guys, there's a butterfly.
You just film the butterfly.
Nah.
Go from a critical videographer to a wildlife photographer.
I can cut that out the video if I wanted to.
Not fast enough. Let's do one of those in for like prosperity's sake. You know that's your card, the Nerf bullets inside.
Yeah. Steve.
It will just help remind you of this time in your life where Nerf bullets were everywhere.
Okay.
Everywhere we look.
Have
Check
you-
my check is 66.
Have you managed to get those corners in there? Or you?
That's one. Yeah, there. Yeah, it's fine.
It's stuck down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you're wondering who's behind the camera, it's just me.
I was going to say, I wonder if there's any way you can bubble or.
Careful, if you press too hard, then it compresses the foam.
glue.
I'm playing a good game here. Okay, let's do this.
Let me get out of your way. Take the helmet in.
Brendan, get us through. Andrew, something fell behind you.
A can of what's empty.
An empty can.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
And that is empty.
Yeah, 2. If he finishes
You
if he
can
finishes
see
on his, this is
this
the third one.
glue.
Let's finish this
Do
can.
we know how to demist headlights?
Yeah?
How?
Slowly.
You polish them.
Always use
Yeah,
that.
That's fine. I tried doing wetting out both surfaces, and it compressed the foam too much.
As you can
We're
see,
going for like a
around
wet surface, followed by a
can on the right, and the can on the left.
solid line.
Recommend you get more of the cans on the right than the cans on the left. One. Oh, Brendan!
Dale!
Empty that one.
How can you empty it?
Should I start moving over or do you want to go to?
That's not fair, Andrew. I'm not the win. He doesn't.
No,
Sorry,
I didn't time up this hand, yeah? That is real speed of his hand.
Careful, Benny. If
So
you
if
push
you think
down
you
on it
can-
while it's still a little bit damp.
So if you
It's gonna be
think,
a chin print if this is the car's life.
Huh?
You might think it's funny, but Mom is going to be furious.
Wow.
Because I don't want a gin pint in my car for the rest of its life.
Huh?
If you push on your hands and chin on that and you squash the foam while it's drying, it's going to stay squashed. Your glue's going to hold it down, not going to let it sponge back up. And it's all this on from time.
yeah, but that flesh wound, Brendan,
I think
means you can't.
You always wanted your rocks glued together, didn't you?
I should have not done that actually.
Is that why you gone through 3 tins?
Not today though. I'm generous. And I want to do. Oh, you know what? Yeah.
Is that why he has very sticky hand?
Ben, can you do me a favor, Ben?
Yeah.
I need you to fetch me.
If you're going to get a fork here.
Let me go get that.
That's the way of it.
There we go.
The boot.
You should really calm down.
Oh, damn, sorry.
What should we do? Should we try some? Should we stick someone up to something?
No, Ben. So yeah, that's basically it.
I put the fabric scissors under the front here.
So this is basically what the after product is.
Well, it's
Well, we're still gonna take the sides off, but yeah. So stay tuned, and you'll see what the final product is. Something. Yeah, but there's the scissors. Ben, there's the scissors there. No, Ben. Brandon's gonna be so cross with you if you mess up. Brendan. Ben's trying to cut the foam. Sorry about that. So we're back and we're back recording. I was just editing the video a bit, but my dad already started. So here we go. And it's going to the second side. I can't really zoom out that much because I don't know why. Just
cutting off the excess.
I'd say we're doing pretty well. I meant to be recording like this. Might not be able to fit into the movie, but it's fine. Might just have to catch up again. But that's how you cut the holes out. Just slide it along. Usually. That's how you cut, but that's just because this hole is very long. It's hard to cut out. So
Triangle hole. Not looking bad.
here we've got that
than
massive
before.
hole. Then down there, it's another hole. And that one over there, I just
This is trim.
And
The idea is you want to sneak
for
this
the
back into the
seatbelt.
car
That huge one, and that other one.
without as much problem as
small one
possible.
is for the baby seat. Well, we don't have a baby seat, but that's just like to lock it in, you know? The other one over there is also for the baby seat to lock in, but yet again, we don't have one. And that's for a light. And that's also a light. And on the side, you see all this like pop out holes? That's like those handles. Just catching you up, okay? This is not my third time recording this again. But the reason why this is my third time recording this is because we just took it to the front yard. Now where our car is, and now we're putting thing in. So
You cannot. You should have in.
here it goes. This is currently what the roof looks like without it in.
Thanks, Marcel.
Now it's coming in like that. There's the
That guy, could you get to
there goes the board. So they're pretty chuffed with how that's going. Brendan, where's that razor?
What?
Where's that razor? You can see we forgot to put this hole in because my finger can currently still go through that. But you can see it's still got the foam. It's not supposed to still have the foam. Sorry.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is put down a few things we're going to do first. A few wires.
You want?
Before we start anything, a few wires we've got to get in the right place. That's got to go there. Then you can stick it back there. About there. That gets stuck there. That's fine. That can go there. And go about there. The other one's a bit simpler. This wire there.
See the wires.
Okay, this has to come off.
I have to take this off.
No, up here, not down there. The headliner goes at the top, not at the bottom.
You have to take this bit off,
That's
off, but not this side,
Oh wait,
not
I
this
jumped the
side
button.
bit.
this has got to
There.
go back on first. Oh,
Only
no.
that bit at the top.
That's got to
has
go
come
there.
off. It's
Alright.
currently down.
Right? How did this go in there? Like that.
So
And then this has got to go on.
there's also a thing we have to put in
Like this here.
there. Nothing.
And that will
We have to
squeeze.
put that in first.
Oh, that looks nice.
So this is for CRV. You just have to put your thing in. If you take something out like that, you have to put that in back in first, and if it clipped on like that. So you can see. Just screw it back on.
I should probably use a screwdriver, not an impact here.
Well, by the way, at the end of the video, we'll show you a before and after. May not have taken the full shot before we actually took this whole thing down, but
I
we
did.
have taken
I'll show you a
pictures.
photo.
Okay.
I'll show you a photo.
And you can go back to the beginning of this video.
For our 0 years.
You see that?
Okay, we are getting there. Tighten that down.
That way we like to use lots of handheld drills. And of course. So, yeah. But it doesn't matter if you don't have iron because it's all the same. Plus we didn't even use iron much this. We didn't really use power much this build. So for repair. So yeah. It's basically
Okay.
so we're at the boot.
Now, I think we have to start at the front and then we work our way back.
Yeah, that's a pretty good idea. Because I'm just gonna jump around. So just thing got stuck on my foot. That's how we stopped. As you can see, we took this down to take the headliner off. And we pop that out. I might just screen record and chuck that in the video later on. So
that snags nicely. There we are. So far, so good. Okay. Front is not looking too bad. I think if we have to get this bad boy up in here.
do you remember where to put it in?
I do, I'm just thinking what do I want to put in first?
So
Right,
I'm
do we
trying
wanna-
to figure
Maybe we just
So-
get it all up first and then
that
put-
box. This box right here has to go up there. So
Hold our plan.
yeah.
Let's cheat a bit. Instead of holding it up, let's use these things.
When we say cheat, we don't actually mean like cheat. We just mean like
Let's use this.
sneak. Like when we say cheat, we mean like let's make it a little bit easier for ourselves. You don't have to do this. You can use whatever you want. You can just do it whatever you want. You can even just do it the normal way. Just hold it up yourself.
Okay, so our next problem.
If you're doing this single-handedly, I would recommend you actually, like, yeah.
Okay, so next challenge is going to be getting this. One hook. Another hook.
Balbo, you have to look for hooks when putting this in. I'll just screen record you some from another YouTube video. So you have to do it in voiceover for you. Because we forgot to like. This is our first YouTube video ever made. So yeah.
I think we need to. We need to get this up a bit.
By the way, I think we're more used to house renovations than car. So yeah, we've got it. My dad and my mom have an Instagram channel on. Not, and I have a different channel. On our house renovations, I think I can reuse some of those videos. Check it into YouTube. We'll save them on time. Yeah. Put them in YouTube. But they'll have to be shorter than this video. They'll have to be shorter than our like new YouTube videos. So yeah. This is gonna be the first filmed for YouTube one.
Oh, no.
But not gonna be the first YouTube video we've made.
I bet not your feet. Okay.
My brother just used his feet and he got in big trouble. Big trouble? Don't copy my brother on what he's doing.
Okay, stop.
Then you have to hold yours up. We're currently in a situation here. Ben, we have to stop.
Stop.
Oh, we have a Lulu. No, oh, damn. And your house.
Okay.
That
We're gonna
hurt
need
so
something.
much.
Hold it back up.
Okay, so we're kind of just like fiddling around trying to get it back in. So we might be off camera for a bit. And then once we're back inside, I'll explain how we did it. We're gonna like go back into the car and then
Can you
get
activate
it.
it, boys? Can you
So bye for the moment. So we're back. And
Don't hit your eye, yes, yay. I think that's better than some.
so yeah, I'm gonna get
Okay.
Okay, just put this thing on here. Hold this.
helping this on. See if it's good. That bit over there is what it is. Put it back on. Earlier we put that back on and
That way. Oh,
that,
they're right here.
that.
That's fast.
So how these work, muscles? You push them over, and there you go. How do you usually get them in?
I know.
You have to squeeze them. Oh damn.
More like this.
Okay, silly question. Do they not maybe go in after these are over?
I think they got. I think you put them. I think you put them. You put them in here. But it should work because it's. Oh no, because it's when it squeezes, it actually. There we go.
It actually.
There we go.
So.
And then what you do is you take these things.
That's good.
Yeah, Andrew, you're right.
Yeah, that looks much better. I'll use mine.
These things that I can photo off. Now they're on there.
And you go like that. And you go like that. And then it's
Perfect.
perfect. Well,
Just don't pull too hard on
no,
that.
that would be a Let's see. No. That's for the front.
Okay.
I also just did this.
At the back should have
Proud of myself.
a bolt screw.
We still haven't put that in.
That's fine. We're going to go there.
But
The
then,
screws are in the front. They're in the front. You have to use in the back.
Oh, so the middle ones. So where are the middle ones then?
in the doors.
It's on the floor.
Ben, don't trample shut in.
That's where it's closed.
Touched
Two.
5 times and missed it.
3. Oh no, maybe they are here, Andrew.
Okay.
So there's 2. Yeah.
You just told him that it wasn't
I
there.
know, but
I know. It just sets me up for failure. It breaks me down. Okay.
Okay, another comment I want to say.
What comment?
Don't say that your pieces aren't in the wrong place. Just put them in one place.
No, what you should actually do is you go get a whole bunch of little ice cream tubs or something.
oh no.
Yeah, that's
And
what
then
you
you
should
have
do.
them.
Where's this? What the hell?
That's what you should actually do. But because we're a bit lazy and we don't know what we're doing. That's it, only if you want to do that. So you don't just.
I'm pretty sure I
That does not happen. Sorry about that.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
That's fine. Don't tighten it too tight.
You just go in like that, and then like that, and then again.
Okay. Are there light bulbs in this one?
Yeah, I'll get you one. It's this.
LED light bulb. Wow. Is that because
It
your
doesn't
boys?
go. It doesn't fit in properly.
It doesn't
Okay.
But
work.
it should. It does, but it can't. You would like it to shine downwards, but it can't.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
It makes perfect sense. Cool. And the glass cover.
Knife. Then we're gonna open this hole we forgot about.
Okay, Benny's got it. Cool. Now I can use two hands to get this up. In the hole. Find your hole. Where's that driver? Brendan, can I have the driver? I need the, oh, cool, that way. Right, that works. Yeah, because it holds it in place.
Oh, there we go.
Okay.
Okay, and you turn one.
I've turned them on.
One on.
Making sure that they work before we...
Our back one doesn't usually work.
You don't want to stick all the duds.
What? Where's our little clippies?
I can put them in if you want.
I think that's a pass.
I don't think that's a pass.
No. They're such small little things. I want to be gentle with them. All right. So sun visors.
Screws on the left, and then twizzle on the right.
Long screws.
Yeah.
In the cabinet, there they are.
There they are. Okay. Cool.
No, that's for the twizzle thing.
That's you put
That's for the twizzle. That's for
Oh, it
twizzle.
goes afterwards. Okay. Cool.
that.
And this one just clips in?
Yeah, it's the clipper here.
And it just clips in. Okay.
That's a twizzle. It's a twizzle.
Twizzle in. Okay. I'm glad that twizzle's a word.
Yeah, because then Sylvie wouldn't.
Go again.
Okay. Send that back to Dad.
Hand in there to use this one.
Oh, whoops, sorry about that. We're just currently installing the thing over here. But our model, so we just twizzle it like that. Or to just take and then twizzle from that position. Let's say that is facing that direction. Then twizzle it all the way there. Then you're just gonna fix them.
Sounds like time ago you pretended.
Sorry about that. I forgot about the camera.
That's what editing's for, my boy.
You can't always just underline. They're just.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah!
I don't want to put French on this.
How do you?
They put the French writing on it. What's the writing on it? The yellow line stuff? That.
Okay.
Then your feet are so dirty. If you touch this thing, I will kill you.
Are you you know when you're taking it off?
Okay.
Maybe you touched it. Blend in.
Yeah, we need.
That or that.
There's a.
We also got to finish putting that seatbelt back in, but
Mine's no
I did this to make it easier for us. I can't believe it. That
This is your hands. All these orange marks.
no, there was some on there. It was actually orange on the inside, and when I pushed it in, it came out.
Alright, are we looking nice and smooth over
Yeah,
here?
good. Looks amazing, to be honest, for what it was like.
We have a happy mommy, boys.
Oh, that
We have a
was.
happy mommy.
So, we had a panicked dad at one point there. It was like,
Do you think we're ready to call Mark for inspection?
Just-
Quality control.
okay.
So, how would you rate it?
Yeah, well done. Very good.
Thanks, Sachi.
You guys did a good
Oh,
job.
I'm just going to ask you art photo of mine. Thanks, boys.
So,
You're actually
yeah.
extremely helpful to me. You know what I mean? Like the job, the 100, the work here. Yeah. If it pulls up Benny, but I'll do the back one, but just watch you.
Okay, so well, that's basically it. So now that's basically it.
Maybe that's drill.
I mean, now it's basically so okay. So tune in next time and watch us repair something else, or just probably do something better at the house. So bye and see you next time. Subscribe, ring that notifications, and also hit the like button.